Today, I'm showing you two autonomous robot breakthroughs that prove the future is already here. First is the autonomous humanoid robot fleet, and second is the Unitree Robotics G1 humanoid robot martial arts swarm revealed in Beijing. Starting with the fleet, these robots are built for real-world deployment. They can power on, stand up, self-organize, and move together without any human control. Each unit understands its environment and communicates with the team in real time, making the system ideal for factories, warehouses, and disaster response where scalable automation is critical. Now compare that to the Unitree G1 humanoid robot swarm. Here, dozens of humanoid robots perform high-precision martial arts in perfect synchronization, executing explosive kicks, smooth spins, and tightly coordinated group formations. The key point is that they are not individually remote-controlled. Each robot relies on advanced motion planning, balance control, and AI coordination to stay in sync. The showcase even adds a theatrical layer with the H2 humanoid robot appearing as the Monkey King, blending robotics with cultural storytelling. In simple terms, the autonomous fleet focuses on real-world utility and scalable teamwork, while the Unitree G1 swarm demonstrates extreme precision, balance, and performance-level coordination. Together, they make one thing clear: we are entering the era of coordinated robot ecosystems. The real question now isn't whether robots are coming, it's who will lead the autonomous future.